Hey there, we're hanging out at FIRST Robotics Kickoff competition here at Lake Michigan College. I'm Johnny, and this is Brian Sorensen. He's one of the co-hosts of the Robotics Roundtable. What's up, Brian?
How's it going?
It's going great. Now, you guys have been doing the Robotics Roundtable for, I think Tim, who's also the host, just talked about it just a moment ago. It's been going on for 8 years, getting ready for the 9th season of Robotics Roundtable, and we love doing this show. I know you've had a great time learning a lot about it and seeing all the competitors talk with you and team members. Now, Robotics Roundtable, we love carrying it on WSJM. It should be coming back towards the end of February.
Towards the end of February, yes. And we're hoping that we get a lot of. We got people signing up there. It's a great discussion with all the teams in the area about what we do, what they do for their competitions, team building exercises. They talk about what they did with their robots. If they're in between competitions, like either before the competition or after it, their experiences there.
Yeah, and Robotics Roundtable, we love having that on WSJM, presented by Lakeshore Public Schools, Cook Nuclear Power Plant, as well as Berrien Springs Public Schools, which what I love about robotics is the team names. I've seen Lancebot, what is it,
Ramageddon, and St. Joe is the Average Joes.
Which this is a really fun thing that I know when I was in high school, we didn't have FIRST Robotics. I know you didn't have it when you were in school, but it's one of those that these kids are learning tons of great skills.
Oh yeah, they're learning it. There's so much that goes on into it. Math, science, everything. There's so much that they do with it's not just putting a robot in whatever. They learn. I mean, you have to know how to program it. So there's computer rooms. You have to learn how to control it. You have to learn how to do everything that's involved with the competition. So I mean, going to one of these things is absolutely amazing.
It's a lot of fun, and what we have seen in the past, even in our area in Southwest Michigan, because these kids go on to compete in the state as well as in the world competitions, but even right here locally, the competitions are like, I don't know how you would even describe it, like a big, huge sporting event where it's just all kinds of great things going on and cool competitions. Now, this is an event where kids will learn and teams will learn about their challenges that they will have, what they have to do to build their robot. They'll get the parts and pieces and things that they need. And then they kind of go about and communicate and plan what they're going to be doing and how they're going to achieve greatness and get this all worked out and make a really awesome robot. So they also learn communication skills too.
Yeah, because what they do is that they don't just go out with their robot. They also communicate with other teams and they compete with other teams. Like there's one team member that just goes and talks to the other teams. So they try to build the relationships of how to do their competitions together, because there's one round where it's just they all team up and then they all pick their teams and everything like that. And it's an amazing thing to go see.
Absolutely. And we look forward to more great conversations with great students as well as team members and mentors, but also great conversations on Robotics Roundtable, which you can also check out past episodes as well from previous years at WSJM.com and our podcast section. But we're really looking forward to Robotics Roundtable coming back again this year in late February. Robotics Roundtable brought to you by our friends at Lakeshore Public Schools, Cook Nuclear Power Plant, and Berrien Springs Public Schools. And you can hear it right here on 94.9 WSJM.